In this video, I'm going to be showing you my own personal thoughts and opinions about HLBZ, which is 24.74% down. And you can see sensational. This was sensational. Before I get right into it, nothing on the channel consoles professional and or financial advice. Everything is just my own opinion and basically perspective. I'm never going to tell you what to do with your own money or anything like that. And now let's get into the video that you actually wanted to watch. We're here. Yesterday, I made this prediction, I believe, that you see on the chart right now. And this is the video of it. Obviously, not a single YouTuber does proofs like this. All right, not a single YouTuber does. Even if I have an L and if the prediction was not correct, which is pretty rare, I'm going to show it. I'm going to keep it on the chart. Right, I'm never going to try to hide it. Only time that I change these charts, this is why I have this YouTube layout right here. Is when I'm recording video. So this is with this thing. Yeah, I'm talking about this layout. It's on TradingView. Well, yeah, this is only when I'm recording videos. And this is the link of my yesterday's upload. It was actually 2 days ago. And let me show you what I did. Bam, right like that. Not a single YouTuber in this industry is going to give you this proof. Everything for free on my YouTube channel. So you don't need to pay for a thing. Now it's kind of coming lower. I'm definitely expecting the lows to get cleared. Again, disclaimer, nothing that I say in this video or in any video on my YouTube channel or nor anything, anywhere consults professional and or financial advice. Everything is just perspective and opinion. It's all